Have you ever dreamed of exploring the diverse cultures of the Pacific Rim? Let's embark on an unforgettable voyage across this dynamic region. The Pacific Rim, a vast expanse that stretches from the bustling metropolises of Asia to the serene islands of the South Pacific, is a melting pot of rich history, traditions, and customs. This cultural odyssey will whisk us away on an adventure through key destinations that define the Pacific Rim. We'll immerse ourselves in the neon-lit streets of Tokyo, Japan's vibrant capital. We'll experience the laid-back charm of Tahiti, a tropical paradise nestled in French Polynesia. We'll also delve into the rich cultural heritage of Bangkok's vibrant street markets, the ancient temples of Angkor Wat, and the colorful villages of Fiji. Each destination offers a unique perspective on the rich tapestry of cultures that make up the Pacific Rim. Hold on to your seats as we embark on this exciting cultural odyssey across the Pacific Rim. Our adventure begins in the vibrant city of Tokyo. Here, the old and the new coexist in a beautiful harmony. The neon-lit streets of Shibuya buzz with energy as they lead the way to the heart of this city that never sleeps. But Tokyo isn't just about the modern marvels and bustling streets. Tucked away in pockets of tranquility are ancient temples like those in Asakusa, standing as silent testaments to Japan's rich history and culture. In this city, every corner has a story to tell, from the traditional izakayas serving up delicious Japanese cuisine to the sushi bars where you can witness the art of sushi making in its most authentic form. Tokyo is a city that lives and breathes its traditions. Whether it's the elegance of a tea ceremony or the intricate details of a kimono, these practices have been passed down through generations, shaping the culture and identity of Japan. With its blend of tradition and modernity, Tokyo offers a captivating insight into the heart of Japan. Next, we journey south to the tropical paradise of Tahiti. Tahiti, the heart of French Polynesia, is a place where time seems to stand still. Its pristine beaches are kissed by the sun, creating a sanctuary of golden sand and azure waters. The island is cradled by lush rainforests, teeming with unique flora and fauna, which paint a vibrant backdrop to the tranquil turquoise lagoons. But the natural beauty is only part of the story. Tahiti is home to a rich Polynesian culture that pulses with life and tradition. The island's rhythm is set by the beat of tear drums during traditional dances, while the intricate art of tapa cloth making tells stories of generations past. The Tahitians' connection with the sea is deeply rooted, seen in their impressive outrigger canoe races and their respect for the reef ecosystems. Tahiti is more than a stunning island, it's a living, breathing cultural experience. Tahiti, a dream destination where you can experience the charm and tranquility of Polynesian culture. But the Pacific Rim holds more wonders for us to explore. We journey next to the vibrant street markets of Bangkok, where a symphony of colors, smells, and sounds create a sensory feast. Here, ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating a fascinating cultural tapestry. Venturing further, we find ourselves in the shadow of the majestic Angkor Wat in Cambodia. This ancient temple complex, a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, is an awe-inspiring symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. Our journey continues to the tranquil islands of Fiji, where the rhythm of traditional drum beats and the vibrant colors of the local villages create a captivating cultural experience. Throughout these diverse destinations, we encounter a rich array of languages, religions, and traditions, each adding its own unique threads to the Pacific Rim's intricate cultural tapestry. These destinations, each unique in its own right, add to the rich cultural mosaic of the Pacific Rim. From high-tech cities to tropical paradises, the Pacific Rim is a treasure trove of diverse cultures and experiences. We've journeyed from the neon-lit streets of Tokyo, immersing ourselves in the energy and traditions of Japan, to the tranquil shores of Tahiti, savoring the laid-back charm and natural beauty of French Polynesia. We've explored bustling markets in Bangkok, marveled at the ancient temples of Angkor Wat, and experienced the vibrant colors of Fijian villages. Each destination a unique thread in the rich tapestry that is the Pacific Rim. This is more than just a journey across the map. It's an adventure through a myriad of cultures, languages, and traditions, a chance to immerse yourself in the fascinating diversity that defines this captivating region. We encourage you to explore these destinations, to experience firsthand the richness and vibrancy of the Pacific Rim. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel content. We'd love to hear about the Pacific Rim destination you'd love to explore in the comments below. Safe travels!